Dr. Kwame Nkrumah envisioned a united Africa, a continent free from colonialism and capable of self-governance. His dreams paved the way for the idea of an African Union where nations would come together to promote solidarity and collective development. However, the seeds of unity he planted were overshadowed by the political turmoil he faced. Overthrown in 1966, Nkrumah's vision for an integrated Africa lingered as a haunting promise. The post-colonial era was fraught with challenges as countries sought to navigate their identities and governance structures. Despite Nkrumah's belief that African unity was paramount for socio-economic progress, many leaders prioritized national interests over regional collaboration. The Cold War politics further complicated alliances, with external powers influencing African states to act independently rather than collaboratively. This geopolitical tension weakened the possibility of a united front, ultimately stalling Nkrumah's dream. Nkrumah's overthrow marked a critical turning point. His government emphasized pan-Africanism, advocating for a collective approach to economic and political issues. However, his authoritarian methods alienated potential allies, leading to dissent and instability. The military coup that removed him from power revealed the fragility of his leadership and exposed the limits of a unified vision in a fragmented political landscape. The very dynamics he warned against were unraveling the potential of African unity. Following his ousting, African leaders became hesitant in pursuing Nkrumah's ideals. The fear of military intervention and political backlash imposed a chilling effect on attempts to foster collaboration. Rather than supremacy of unity, leaders reinforced nationalistic sentiments, and African unity efforts lost momentum, transitioning to the establishment of the Organization of African Unity, OAU. While this body sought to promote peace and cooperation, it lacked the robust framework necessary to bring Nkrumah's vision of a united Africa to fruition. In essence, Nkrumah's legacy continues to be felt across the continent, his dreams echoing through the ethos of pan-Africanism. While his ambitions for a strong African Union were thwarted by political strife and his own responses to dissent, the pursuit of unity remains an ongoing journey. The lesson lies in understanding that cohesion requires a balance between vision and inclusion, a realization that is slowly manifesting within current African leadership structures.